The thing that really makes Ascent College special is the capacity to be able to reach beyond the traditional classroom.
It is all virtual. All their classes are facilitated online by pastors who are doing the work of the ministry.
We are connected with over 25 partner site churches along the East Coast. And so what that means is you can plug in at a local church and be with other students that are taking maybe even the same classes that you're taking. You guys can have study groups together.
Partner sites provide the practical experience, the practical application of what's being learned in the classes.
We believe that Ascent College is a strategic partner in the education component of the students, those who are looking to go further. And there was just something different, something special about Dr. Rob and Ascent College and all that they had to offer.
Yeah, that's right. We know that our students are getting a quality, Bible-based education. Those who feel called to full-time ministry, this is a very accessible way for them to develop and grow in their education and grow in their walk with the Lord.
They provide the academic training, and then our hands-on experience with the students to be able to provide practical ministry training is going to work together for a beautiful outcome of those students growing and developing in their ministerial gifts and callings.
So as a busy mom of 2 children, a pastor working full-time, running a company and going to school, one of the most important things to me was that I could manage it. And stepping out in faith, God called me to it, and He called me to Ascent for the right reason, because the support that I have had from my professors is like nothing I could have imagined.
I didn't graduate high school with great grades. When I thought about going to college, there was some fear, some anxiety. Coming alongside other people to look me in the eye and say, Josh, you can do it. Josh, God has not given you a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. And that sound mind can be tuned up here at Ascent. Give it a try.
I just love that I can go to my home church, and I have had many opportunities to minister to people one-on-one to help them grow the way I aspire to do.
And Ascent just gave me a really wonderful chance to be here and then equip me with the Word of God.
And all of this has been just an amazing journey of discovery and new depths and new treasures of learning about myself, my character. What God's planned for my life.
Students are coming out of college with so much debt, they cannot go on the mission field. They cannot go into ministry. It is really a key strategy of Ascent College to move towards students being able to graduate debt-free, to help facilitate them to get on the mission field and get into the ministry role.
Ascent has given me the opportunity in a safe, healthy environment to beat my fears.
My time at Ascent has been profound. I have been challenged spiritually to a level that I never thought I could reach.
I believe that all of this has just created a deeper yearning to know God, to grow in God, and to be effective in ministry.
I kind of took a leap of faith, and I'm so glad I did. God has put me here, and it's possible to do great things. I had no idea I could do stuff.
I'm not choosing Ascent, but Ascent choosing me.
Just take a moment, don't ignore it. Pray about it. If you feel in your heart that He's leading you to ministry, I would just pray that you would consider Ascent College.
Ascent College is a great place for you to learn how to utilize the skills, the gifts, and the calling that God has placed upon your life. Join us at Ascent College as we prepare God's people for works of service.